I'm going to be honest with you. And I was asked to do a video about this tool. I went, sure, this has some value for all of you folks watching. But when I started digging into how easy it was to take this thing as far as I took it, well, let's just say that I'm a long-term customer now. I heard of OpenClaw. I saw all those influencers talk about it, all the hype. I heard how expensive it could be, so I figured, no problem. I'll install it here on one of my machines with some local LLM and I'll be set. Clever, right? Nope. Crash and burn. That install completely failed on Linux, and I couldn't be bothered to debug it more than 2 hours. So then I figured, I've got a Mac Mini M4. Let's try that. Well, the install went through, but a whole bunch of stuff would fail. Sure, it talked to that LLM on LM Studio, but that was about it. I couldn't even create a workflow or an agent. So I deleted everything after 24 hours. I was done. I was going to go back to N8N and drag those nodes around. Then I started preparing for this video, and I have to tell you, same OpenClaw, completely different experience. I had OpenClaw running and ready to be set up like I wanted it with one click. One click. Then it was ready for me to start automating my stuff. First things first, we need to grab the right hosting environment. Head over to this page. There's a link in the description, or there's one right here. You'll see the OpenClaw plan. I really recommend this specific plan for a few reasons. First, there's absolutely zero setup. Second, there's no per agent fees, meaning you can run as many bots as you need, and it has enough resources for multiple automations, and it has built-in security. When you look at the price, you're going to see the Hostinger's OpenClaw is actually 3 times less expensive than the competition. It's a steal for this 24/7 thing. Oh, and I got a code in the description so you can get an extra 10% off. But if you want to pay full price, that's cool too. When you're done with the purchasing part, you'll end up in your dashboard. Click Get OpenClaw. The OpenClaw application should be pre-selected. There's no complicated server configuration here. The only thing you have to do is fill out this configuration screen that's going to appear so everything is set up for you. Data privacy is already handled. That OpenClaw instance is sitting on a private, isolated Docker container. That means all your data and chat logs, well, they stay under your control and they don't go anywhere else. Now, let's set up the AI provider. You can buy the version that's ready to go, or you can plug in your own external API key. If you use the credits that are already built in, your credits sync up the second you install it, so you don't have to mess around with external keys at all. For my setup, I use my own keys to a few LLMs, depending on my needs. Next, pick where you want to talk. You can choose WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, or Discord. Personally, I use Telegram. That's it. You've got everything managed right here in this panel without needing to sign up for anything else. So OpenClaw is running. Let's actually build something useful. Look, I'm not going to insult your intelligence by sending myself some stupid morning digest. I mean, what's up with that? Is that all some of these influencers can think of? I don't like noise. You shouldn't like noise either. We all want to focus and automate stuff. I'm going to show you how to set up a workflow that actually solves a problem. My biggest pet peeve is to do this mindless stuff on a regular basis that I could train a pigeon to do. Okay, so maybe not a pigeon, but definitely someone like an intern. It involves 70% copy pasting. Here's the situation. I handle my videos in one system, but the agency doing my editing uses something else. I'm not interested in wasting my time clicking around copy-pasting data back and forth like some human bridge just because these vendors can't seem to get along. That's what the machine is for. I'm setting this up so that the machines talk to each other without me getting in the middle. And here's the most important part. I've configured it to stay quiet. I don't need a play-by-play or a hero notification every time something moves. I've set the instruction to only ping me if there's a real problem. If the workflow is doing its job, I don't want to know it exists. It's about making things work, not making noise. This is how you should handle personal automation if you're actually serious about it. You keep 100% control of your data. You don't waste money on hardware, and you skip the headaches because the deployment is handled in one click. Whether you're trying to automate leads, build a support bot, or just get a personal assistant to keep your life organized, this is probably the easiest way to get it done. You're not paid to be clever. You're paid to make things work. And this works. If you want to launch your own agents without the setup mess and save some real time and money, go to the site and use the code for the discount. The link is here. It's also in the description. Don't forget the 10% code. Go build something that takes a load off your back and actually solves a problem.